Hi guys, it's Miss Missy here. This week you're going to be learning about birds, and I'm going to read you these pictures and talk about them a little bit. So here we go. There are lots of birds in the world. Some birds live where it's very cold. What's this? A penguin. Some birds live where it's very hot, like parrots. Some birds need food and water to live. Birds use grass and twigs to make nests. All birds lay eggs. All birds have feathers. Feathers are pretty and they help keep birds warm and dry. Do you know what kind of feather that is? That's a peacock feather. Most birds fly, but some birds can't fly, like an ostrich and a penguin. They can't fly. Birds come in many different colors and sizes. Look at the girl, she's bird watching with her binoculars. Some birds, like the hummingbird, are very small. Some birds, like the ostrich, are very big. Each bird is special in its own way. Parrots are birds that talk and people have as pets. Chickens are birds that give us food. Ducks and penguins are birds that swim well. Some birds, such as woodpeckers, can be very noisy. They like to use their beak and poke at the wood. That's why they're called woodpeckers. Some birds, such as owls, can be very quiet. Flamingos get their color because of the food they eat. What color are flamingos? Pink, so they must eat pink food, huh? Different birds have different shaped beaks to help them with the food they eat. This is called a puffin. Look at his big beak. And this is a blue jay. He's got a small beak. My paper. Different kinds of birds have different types of feet. The cardinal kind of has pokey feet, where the ducks have webbed feet. Ducks and puffins have webbed feet for swimming. All right, that's the end of our papers. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.